The second generation AirPods Pro have been rumored for quite some time now, and I mean, it's been 3 years since these were initially introduced, and heavy rumors have been pointing to a 2022 refresh. So could this be finally announced at next week's fall iPhone event? It's certainly possible that Apple could announce the next iteration of the AirPods Pro at the event in Cupertino next week. I mean, there are only a couple other options, maybe the next event that could happen in October, or just a random drop during the middle of the week via a press release. But if this does happen next week, here's what you can expect. Since there has been so much time between the first gen and now, there have been a wide variety of rumors. The AirPods Pro 2 have been rumored to be smaller and then stemless early on in the rumor cycle, but now we've ended up back to the same current design with no major changes to the actual form factor to be expected. The charging case is actually rumored to have speaker holes so that it's able to play a sound when the AirPods are lost, and that will go along with the improved Find My integration. The case has also been depicted to have what seems to be a spot for a lanyard on the sides, perhaps for a new lineup of lanyard accessories. As far as upgrades go, it looks like the AirPods Pro 2 will include a new H1 chip that could lead to self-adaptive noise cancellation capabilities. We also obviously expect better performance and improved power consumption thanks to the chip update. From an audio standpoint, Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that the second generation AirPods Pro will feature support for Apple lossless audio, or ALAC. If you see that out there, that's what that means, which would be a major upgrade for audio and the audio quality. Now, current AirPods and AirPods Pro models do not support lossless at this current time because AirPods play audio using Bluetooth, and Bluetooth is limited to the AAC codec. Higher quality Apple lossless audio files would need to be streamed to the AirPods Pro directly in a way that circumvents Bluetooth, so Apple would need to develop some kind of alternative connection solution. The AirPods Pro 2 will apparently share acoustics with the AirPods 3, featuring a combination of custom high amplitude drive units and high dynamic range amplifiers. Self-adaptive equalization, spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, and audio sharing will also be included. Apple appears to be preparing to launch devices with Bluetooth 5.2 support, perhaps in preparation of launching AirPods Pro with LE audio support. LE audio could bring improved audio quality, longer battery life, which is always a plus, the option to connect more than 2 pairs of AirPods to a single iPhone, and the ability for each individual left and right AirPod to have its own Bluetooth connection to an iPhone to prevent desynchronization during audio playback. There have also been a few other rumors that are worth pointing out, but some that are likely not to happen, just because some of these rumors are a little bit out there, like the ability for the AirPods Pro to detect heart rate or body temperature from the ear. Now, this could actually happen, but it's rumored that it probably won't happen this year. These rumors were pretty heavy a while back, but it appears as if it's just not going to happen for maybe this iteration, but perhaps maybe 2023 or beyond. AirPods charging case will be most likely making a switch to USB-C at some point, but it might happen in 2023 when Apple plans to switch the iPhone to USB-C in efforts to comply with new regulations being introduced in Europe. And lastly, 52 Audio claims that the AirPods Pro 2 will serve as some sort of hearing aid device. Apparently, sound could be collected through the charging case and transmitted to the earphone for sound enhancement and playback, at least according to 52 Audio. That would also make the previously described lanyard holder not a lanyard holder, but some sort of hearing aid function that would assist with this feature. We believe this rumor should be viewed with a bit of skepticism, so I mean, I wouldn't expect that to happen with this next iteration of AirPods Pro 2. But of course, I would love to hear your thoughts down in those comments. What are you looking forward to in the next generation AirPods Pro? And do you think Apple will hopefully unveil them next week? Please let me know down in those comments. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.